y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do it's a very small grocery haul, and I don't know if you're gonna like this, but this is kind of just showing what we buy and what I eat, and if I look bloated or like chunky, a lot of it's water weight, as you other PHers know. Managing our water weight is just something that like is an ongoing battle every single day, so it's super important. Whew. Oh, I wheezed. What's up? You can come in the video, it's not a big deal, just don't scare me. Hi! You're like, okay. So managing what we eat is super important, and I try my best to stay on track, and I know that eating is like super hard to like just eat clean every single day, but it is lifestyle, and basically kind of like my rule of thumb is like if it doesn't die, don't eat it. So if it stays for a long period of time, like Pop-Tarts or cereals, like I don't eat them. So let me change this camera angle, and no, I don't have any makeup on, and my skin is super oily. That's like a whole nother pH issue for Roddy, you could have dropped this camera, don't do that. That's like a whole nother pH like issue. People that have Remodulin might be more aware of that, but that's like how my skin is like different after having IV therapy, and this oil will like just keep producing and producing and producing forever, but it's not a fashion show, so this is what it is, okay? Deal with my face. Okay, let's start with this. My breath, I'm already out of breath. These are adult Lunchables. They're like super good. Basically like salami and like a good cheese and a crostini, and they have 13 grams of carbs, which is good. If you eat one, you're still under your carb limit for the day, so that's like pretty good. These are snack packs. No sugar, no crackers, no nothing. And it stays because you don't have to have it like cool or anything like that, so that's helpful. I am a PHer, so we're super exhausted all the time, so yes, this is more expensive, but it works for my lifestyle. So celery, green onion, I love them, I put them in everything. Salad, your number one food that you have to eat all the time is salad. I like Brussels sprouts. I already made my Brussels sprout recipe. You guys can find it in my other video section. I love that. Ham for my daughter, of course. Chorizo for me, chorizo and eggs. I don't eat that much because it is salty, so I try to just eat it like once on the weekend or something, but my kids love it. Oh, more of these Lunchable things. Oh, these are like vegetables. It's like an almond, a cheese, this, carrots and broccoli, and this is like a good like snack, so I get. We love charcuterie in this house, and it's like a really guilty pleasure that we have, but it's like salami, pepperoni, chorizo again. So that with like a piece of cheese is like a good snack for us. It has a lot of salt, yes, I know that, but just mind your salt intake for the rest of the day, and that would be like a treat, you know what I mean? These little peppers, like to eat these little peppers. Seasonings, of course. Mozzarella cheese for my daughter's sandwiches. American cheese for her sandwiches. More salad, of course. These are zucchinis. I like to cut them up and put a lot of seasoning and put them in the pan with a little bit of avocado oil, and that's how I make that. And steaks. This is our dinner for today. It's gonna be steak and zucchini, and if you're still hungry, then you eat salad. So that's pretty much what we have today. So I'll lay it out and you guys can get a good picture of it, and then I will talk about something else that I am trying, and I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. that was my really small grocery haul. I don't know if you guys are gonna like watching these kind of videos or you just think they're kind of dumb. I don't know. I just want, I like watching them on YouTube. So this is just what I get in a very small haul. I really don't shop big, huge hauls like every weekend and stuff like that. It's more just smaller, frequent meals because like I said, things go bad easy because a lot of what we're eating is like fresh food and stuff like that. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Put the notification bell. That's the meal. That's usually what it looks like in our house. Okay, so that's what a typical meal looks like in the house. And like I don't even want to taste it because I'm like so ready for this jaw pain. Cookie, hush. But I'm like really hungry. Okay. Modulant jaw pain, sorry. But yes, super good, super healthy, and that's pretty much what I cook in a day and my little grocery haul that I had for you guys. Thanks for watching my video, and I'm your friend. Thanks for watching my video. I'm your PH friend from Texas, and this is my dinner.